This safety and setup video overview is not intended to augment the information found within the GroundHound Site Safety Monitor User's Manual. Please carefully read the User's Manual for important and in-depth safety regulations and guidelines so that you are familiar with the many aspects of setup and operation of the GroundHound sensor. As with any device, the GroundHound Site Safety Monitor system is designed to improve upon and not replace your worksite condition awareness. Always use your judgment and continue to be observant of your worksite conditions beyond the warning systems provided by the GroundHound sensor. Before exploring the GroundHound sensor menu options, please watch the video relating to GroundHound equipment connections, which will walk you through the proper setup sequence. Once the GroundHound sensor is properly connected to the reference ground and worksite ground, you'll then turn the GroundHound sensor unit on and wait for the GroundHound sensor's menu to display Network Established. When you see this on the GroundHound sensor LCD menu screen, you'll then know that you're able to begin navigating through the various menus. Press the bottom of the two available menu buttons next to the LCD screen and you'll see that the menu is changed to display SD card open. This menu is letting you know that the enclosed SD card is operational. It is important to note that you are not to open the protective bezel and access any of the components within the GroundHound sensor. They are mentioned for informational purposes and are intended to access by qualified GroundHound technicians only. Press the bottom menu scrolling button again and you'll see battery with the current and battery voltage readout underneath it. This is letting you know that the current voltage of the rechargeable battery used to operate the GroundHound sensor. Press the bottom menu scrolling button again and you will see signal strength with a readout underneath it that tells you the actual signal strength between the GroundHound sensor and the Zigbee receiver. When no Zigbee receiver connection is detected, you will see a signal strength of 000. Press the scroll down button again and you will see transient energy measured in joules. Press the scroll down button again and you will see max transient measured in peak voltage. The next menu displays the worksite GPR measured in RMS volts. The next menu displays the network status, which should always display network up, signifying that the GroundHound sensor is indeed sending the appropriate signals to the receiver. Underneath the network up message is phone, which will display either unlinked or linked, letting you know whether or not the receiver and phone are remotely linked to the GroundHound sensor. The final menu shows you the box ID in the form of a 16-digit alphanumeric code. This code is important and is manually entered in by you during the GroundHound mobile app linking process. Pressing the scroll down button again will take you back full circle to the first menu option. You can scroll either up or down to reach the desired menu screen, but once you have the appropriate data, it is best to immediately close and latch the weather-resistant protective case of the GroundHound sensor. This concludes the overview of the GroundHound sensor menu. Before worksite deployment, you will need to download the official GroundHound mobile application. Please refer to the Establishing the GroundHound Communication Links video.